So welcome aboard the Disney Fantasy. We are in cabin 6568, which is midship, starboard side. And we just wanted to share with you a cabin tour just so you can get a feel for what it's like in this room. Now this room in particular only sleeps 3, and I'll show you in a minute what I mean by that. But when you first enter the cabin, you'll find on your left all of your life vests up above. And this is a double-sided dresser. There are plenty of hangers in here. Included is a laundry bag. And then you do also have a very good sized safe. I would say you could probably fit a tablet in here, maybe a small laptop. Of course, that's a great place to keep your personal items, anything that's valuable, including maybe your passports, jewelry, money, things like that. Then the next set of closets here shows another wardrobe. And again, plenty of hangers. There's another life vest up there. Lots of area and space to organize your clothing and to get settled into your cabin and unpack. If we back up here to the right, Disney is known for its split bathroom design. So there are 2 doors, a door here and a door here. In this first bathroom, you'll find a sink and a toilet. So that's nice that you can allow people to kind of get ready at the same time if need be. There is a lot of storage here under the sink, so don't hesitate to utilize that space. There are tissues provided, as well as the Disney branded hand soap. All of the H2O branded products have been replaced with the Disney brand. You have some storage shelves here. There's another storage shelf up there above the toilet. And then there's another storage shelf, or 2 hangers, 2 hooks rather, right here on the wall. So plenty of space to organize in there. Coming out of that bathroom and into the second door, there is a floor almost to ceiling mirror here. And you have 2 hooks here to hang towels. There are some areas there in the corner to be able to store more of your items, as well as another sink and storage underneath the sink. If you step inside here, there is a full shower and tub combination. So if you're traveling with little ones, this is a really great way and easy way to be able to give your little ones a bath if need be. So it's a good size tub. It's not full size, but it is a good size. There's a height adjustable shower head here, which is great, and 2 clothing racks to actually draw across the tub. So if you wanted to hang up anything that's wet, you can pull this out and it will create a clothing line that you can hang in the shower to hang whatever you need. There are also, again, more Disney branded products that include body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Heading outside of the restroom, you'll find more storage here. There are 2 shelves here and then 3 drawers down below for more storage. Under the bed, there is plenty of space to store even the highest or widest suitcase. So that's where we'll be storing our luggage. The bed is a king size bed that sleeps 2. There are drawer spaces on the side of the bed that you can use to store things. No outlets, there are outlets here underneath. All the way under there are some outlets. 2 outlets actually. One is European.
There are some light switches.
On this side of the bed, there's the telephone and light switches here, but there are no outlets on this side of the bed. You do have a drawer there. Now this is where I said it gets interesting. This is a sleeper bed, so this will turn out into a twin bed for somebody to sleep on. A lot of the other cabins will actually have an upper berth that will pop down here from the ceiling. This cabin only sleeps 3, so there is no upper berth there. So you'll have 2 people on the bed, the king bed here, and then you'll have to have 1 person on this bed. The other great thing about Disney is this large, spacious area here as an area to get ready, to be able to store things. There's storage up above, and there's storage in the far cabinet as well. There are 3 drawers on this side for more storage. And then under here is where you have your refrigerator, or cooler, if you will, to be able to store any sort of cold drinks or anything that you want to keep chilled. This is a ocean view family veranda, or balcony as some other cruise lines call it. So we do have a balcony here. It does have 2 chairs and a table Right now there's a lot of noise outside because they're loading up the rest of the luggage to get on board the ship. For parents of little ones, do not hesitate to book a balcony if you're worried about safety, because the safety latch is all the way up top here that has to be locked and unlocked. So even your tallest kids cannot reach that to lock and unlock it. And the door itself does require quite a bit of kind of manpower to pull it open.
Hi.
Isabel, you're sitting out here enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
beautiful. It's
It
not
is.
actually cold up here like it is on the pool.
Yeah, the pool deck's a little chilly today, but it is beautiful out here. So we have a beautiful view of Port Canaveral and the Disney Cruise Line terminal, literally right in front of our stateroom, because we are perfectly midship, right off the midship elevators. But we've got 2 chairs and a little table, and it makes it a really great place to come out and enjoy, you know, breakfast or any meal for that matter. And we are, yeah, life boats are right here, so right below our cabin, kind of off deck 5, and then we are fully covered up top. So let me take you back around and kind of show you what the inside of the cabin looks like again. So standing from the balcony, this is kind of panning the entire stateroom. I think for a family of 3, or if you have one that has upper berth for a family of 4, this is a wonderful cabin choice. And I think location-wise, it's going to be ideal being right off midship elevators and midship stairs to be able to access the Kids Club, Oceaneers Club, which is down 1 deck, or to go up 4 decks to the pool deck and the buffet. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to click like and subscribe and follow us along on our Disney cruise journey on the Disney Fantasy.